Tour time.
Tour time. Rainy day. So we are on our way back downtown today. We are going to be doing a Zurich city tour, right?
Sightseeing tour, yeah.
A sightseeing tour. We booked this tour through Get Your Guide. Yeah, so this tour is going to bring us around a few different sites in central Zurich, the historical part of town. It'll take us on a ferry cruise, right? So
like a lake cruise.
Lake cruise, and we'll get to see the Lindt factory.
Yeah.
So
chocolate.
that's what we're gonna do. It's about a 4-hour tour.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to just seeing a little bit of the city on this rainy summer day.
Very worst. Going to chocolate.
We're at the Lindt Chocolate Factory in Zurich.
Lindt Home of Chocolate, I believe, is the
Lindt Home of Chocolate.
official name.
Excuse me. Yeah, so we're gonna watch
How they make those little
how they make the fancy
the Lindt
chocolate.
balls and the little squares.
At the end of the tour, there's tasting, so you just get to
all you can eat.
all you can eat. Yeah. So
Eat your fill in Lindt chocolate.
those teeny tiny truffles and all sorts of sizes that they don't sell in the U.S.
Yes.
So that'll be pretty exciting.
We've already seen some exclusive flavors in the grocery store. I'm excited to see what kind of exclusive flavors they have here in the factory.
The glutton in me is very jazzed.
Oh
for this.
boy. That's pretty good.
Ooh, he says. Ooh.
Oh, I see you're loading up.
Yeah. We're a monster. That was the right temperature.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Good. It smells like dark chocolate. Tastes like dark chocolate. Ooh.
Ooh, he says. Ooh.
Let's see. Dark chocolate, sea salt.
Sea salt. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Sorry, machine.
Oh, it's definitely darker.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, very good. Great.
Wow.
What is it? Orange. This is just half of it. There's more over there.
It's crazy. It's just the best part of the factory.
after a fun tour, we returned to the city to enjoy the holiday. Today is Swiss National Day, which celebrates the founding of the Swiss Confederation.
Yeah. Nice round boy.
Yep. Serve a lot.
Serve a lot.
That seems to be the only pronunciation that makes
really
sense.
Good. Kind of like a kielbasa. Definitely like a blend of meats. You can tell it's not just. I don't think it's just pork. Or it's all pork. There's a small set of bands under like a stone gazebo, which is really pretty. Or yeah, we're in the plaza. There's teeny festival. Happy Swiss National Day. Woo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What about the Lindt, home of chocolate?
Definitely worth the price of admission.
The chocolate eating experience.
So the first
Eating
tasting experience you come across, yes, is the melting chocolates.
Yes.
And there's just these fountains of white milk and mild to dark. So yeah, you have these fountains, and you get to you put a little on a spoon.
Yes. You can pull that little trigger thing more than once, as I did take advantage of. So you can get one pre-portioned, essentially teaspoon of chocolate, or you just keep on ripping that thing and get a tablespoon of melted chocolate in your spoon. And that's exactly what I did. However, as they clearly state on each of the pumps, that is on each of the stations, please don't use that spoon more than once. And I saw several wet
Oh no.
used spoons returned to the fountain spigot for another go, and that really got to me.
Yikes.
I can look past a lot of things, but putting your used spoon up next to the community chocolate spout was not the way I wanted to get to know all of the strangers in the room. But the chocolate was very good.
So there are these really elaborate machines that will go through and break off pieces of chocolate bar and dispense them into your hand when you place your hand underneath them. So you would put your hand underneath, and you get a square or two, or if you're really lucky like I did, I got 5 in one.
Yes.
And you get to try them.
A little arm would go and essentially just punch a whole chocolate bar, and then whatever crumbled. And so you'd get a sliver, you'd get a chunk, you'd get a triangle, you'd get a slice. You'd get a pile. And so that was really cool. Unfortunately, occasionally I'd miss, and so it would fall into what I would just call chocolate Hades, into this sort of pit.
Yeah.
But I don't know what happens in the chocolate pit. But
I hate to think that stuff gets wasted, but
I think if I were to do a Zurich tour of any kind, I would do something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like do a thing, like a chocolate tour, and then learn a lot about history in a short amount of time. So this was part of our first full day in Zurich. We're going to be in Switzerland for several more days as we pick up our camper van tomorrow and we drive around the Alps. We are looking forward to that. Stay tuned as we figure out other things we want to do along the way. If you have any recommendations, let us know.
cool.
Thanks, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.